Hello, hola, everyone. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, and this is Tracy. I'm experimenting again. I want to try and make a patch for this travel bag. It's a men's travel bag, and I picked these up a while ago, some time ago, before the Dollar Tree charged $1.25. And I want to put a patch on this to personalize it. And I was reading, it's kind of like a material on the outside. It does say 50% polyester, but the tag also says 50%, what did it say? PVC. Um, I don't know what PVC is. I don't know if that's this lining. It's a plastic, and I know it will melt. Not sure how this is going to work out, so that's why I wanted to create a patch to put on here rather than directly trying to sublimate onto this. So what I'm going to do, and eventually I have turned this thing inside out, totally inside out, so that I can see how it was made. And I'm going to probably do that on another video, but I'm going to break this thing down. I'm going to get my seam ripper and open this up at all the seams, spread it out, and see what kind of pattern I can come up with to make my own. Or, if that's too difficult, go online and try and find a pattern for a travel bag. I'm not good with zippers, but I'm going to try it out. We're going to see eventually. So anyway, and anywho, let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this Crafter Square felt roll, which is very thin. It's what I made some labels with for clothing, and you can sublimate on it. So I'm going to use this, and I have created in my design space, Cricut design space, what I want to go on this. And it's for a man, of course, and it's going to go with the King Things line. And so I found some background, wallpaper, whatever you want to call it, out of Google, of the camouflage. Then I did an offset in this, like, it's supposed to be deep burgundy, but this is this is sublimation ink, so it's not really showing the colors. And this paper I'm using is the Georgia Pacific printing paper, and added this King Things on here, and I've got it in reverse already. Is it upside down? Yeah. Okay. Let me halfway get this right for y'all. And so I just went into Word document and copy pasted these onto this sheet and sent it through my sublimation printer. I tried to kind of match this camouflage. It's not quite, but it'll stand out, which I want it to stand out on here. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut around these. I'm going to go ahead and sublimate onto this with all three. So let me cut around here and take this on, and let's get ready to do that. So I've cut a piece of this felt out. I'm going to place this on here with a couple pieces of tape. I'm only using one of these, but I'm going to go ahead and sublimate all of them now. Just a small piece to hold it in place so that it doesn't shift or ghost. Now, I wasn't sure how I was going to do this, because I don't want to use the Easy Press. I'm going to have to flatten this out and use my mini iron. But one step at a time. Let's sublimate these. And I have my mini iron turned on at its highest setting. Oh. No, silly me. Silly me. I'm going to do these with I'm not doing these one at a time. I'm going to do these with my Easy Press onto this fabric. So let me get that Easy Press warmed up. That shouldn't take but a moment. This Easy Press is hot. So I've got it set for 400 at 60 seconds. I'm gonna cover this up with a piece of copy paper, and this is just my cheap, economical copy paper. I don't want to use my butcher paper for these small projects. So let's do this and give it 60 seconds. And I'll be back in a minute. I meant to put my pressing pillow under there and I forgot. 60 seconds are up. Take this copy paper off, which it bled through. Now let's see how this turned out. Oh, it's nice. It's not quite burgundy, it's brown, so it'll blend. Turned out pretty. But I thought I picked burgundy to go around here to match this, but it's gonna stand out. It's camouflage. Trial and error. So what I'm gonna do now is flip this over and use that heat bond, this Heat and Bond Ultra Hold. And I've cut a piece out already. Turn that thing off because it doesn't take but 6 seconds to put this down. Put that on there, and I'll put a piece of paper over the top of it. That easy press is still really, really hot. I don't know what temperature I actually need for this heat bond, but it was set at 400 degrees, so I'm just gonna put it on here for a few seconds to adhere the heat bond to the felt. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that probably should do it. We'll see if I need to set it down again. Looks like it's on there. It's on. It's good. So what I'm going to do next is cut one of these out. By hand. It won't be going back into Cricut to cut out. So let me do that and I shall return. I'm not going to cut all 3 out. I'll use the other ones at another time. But like I said, this heat bond, you know, with the backing on here makes it so easy to cut. I did not lint roll this either. I am moving too fast, but it's okay. This time, it's okay. Well, let me just cut this out. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I think I'm going to put that pressing pillow inside here so that the plastic doesn't stick together. And then just flatten this out. I can still see my lines where this is the bottom and this is the top of the travel bag. And then hopefully in using this mini iron, you know, I'm not going to touch the zipper, and hopefully that with this it's not going to melt, because this is some type of material. It's very thin. I guess it's that 50% polyester on here, but anyway, I'm babbling. Let's get this on here, and all you do is peel off the backing of your heat and bond. There we go. I don't have any nails to get up under there. Okay. And that's what your bond looks like. So I've made a patch. Try and center this between these 2 lines and these 2 sides. Just eyeballing. And let me cover this with, I'm going to use a piece of paper and cover that. Okay, let's see what happens. Take my little mini iron and just hold this on here. And I probably will have to move it because see, it's not covering the whole patch. What about this side? Yeah, I'm good on this side, but I know I'm gonna have to move it over. What about this corner? I'm gonna have to move it over. So I'm gonna give it 60 seconds and then move it over. Oh, yeah, not 60 seconds, but just enough to adhere it. I'm tripping. Hold on. Okay, now let me move it. I'm not sublimating, doggone it. I'm putting the label on. Ooh, y'all just work with me. Work with me, that's all. Trying to get this done fast because it is a gift. To go with some other gifts that I wanted to have done today. Yeah, there we go. It's on there. Very good. Nothing melted. I'm not sure if I could have sublimated on this. I don't think so because I would have had to leave it 60 seconds. But I laid that iron down for longer than I should have. It's sealed. It is sealed. So yeah, we have another customized, personalized gift that we can embellish to give a little personality, to personalize. You know, you can do patches for their type, what they're into, fishing, golfing, their name. There's many things that you can put on these patches just to personalize this. And gift giving, you know, fill it up with a few things. Hand sanitizer, this was body spray, you know, some Kleenex, razors, toothbrush, soap, whatever you choose to put in here. Face mask, charcoal face mask, zip it up. And here's a King Things travel bag gift. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Tell me your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have, I appreciate you and I thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace and love. Until next time, I'm out.